Undunankulu waseGauteng uPanyazile Sufi evalelisa kulabafanyana ababili baseSoweto uthe kunzima ukwamkela kodwa bazolithola uxolo.
The pain is deep. The pain is unbearable. But let's find comfort in the names of these children. Their names are very clear. Ngobizitha. We will defeat them. Their names are very clear. Siamo. We will find peace. My beloved children, go well. Go well. Rest in peace. It's unfortunate that we live in this cruel world. It hurts us that you have to be a symbol of cruelty. But know, beyond this world, that all of us here, we love you more. Rest in peace, bantwana bami.
Uwengamele zemfundo eGauteng Matumechulane uthi kufanele ngaso sonke isikhathi kuvikelwe izingane.
Because the children have spoken and I've heard them that we must do at all times seek to protect them.
Umalume kaNqobizitha Zulu uthi ubuhlungu abuzwayo abekezeleki.
I used to call this young man Isikhova, as you can see esithombeni sakhe. Yeah, bekuyisikhovu sami ke lesi. Ukhulele kuthina ngithi kuwe Nqobizitha yenza njengegama lakho boy. Whomever ukwenzile lokhu Nkonza ziphendulele.
uNqobizitha Zulu neminyaka emihlanu ubudala benoThia Morabanye nayo neminyaka emihlanu